Hi everyone, in this video, I will show you how to share CapCut projects. So for example, you wanted to export your project right here and you wanted to share this to a specific person. And for example, you tap this share button right here. If you tap this, then if you want to share this to a workspace in CapCut, then probably you can share your project to a specific workspace in CapCut. But if you wanted to share this, as you can see, this is what it looks like. But if you wanted to share this project, then what you're going to do is to export this project first. So let me cancel this. Tap this export right here. So you can download this. For example, if you want to export this to your desktop, to your documents, to downloads, or to a specific folder, and then you just have to click this one and then locate at that specific place where you want to export this with a file. Now, if you want to copy or link, or if you want to share this to someone, like you want to send this file to Google Drive, Gmail, you need to upload this first to your Google Drive. Click this plus icon, tap this share or copy link, and make sure that this is set to public so anyone can download this, and then paste it or share this to whoever you want. So I do really hope that this video helped you. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe to our channel. See you again in our next videos.